Welcome to the Gambia. Under the intense sun, long distances, and covered to reach remote water sources, each journey is difficult, time-consuming, and surrounded by risk. The small community of Sinchubara have had Lorentz smartTAPs supplied by a Lorentz solar water pump to provide sustainable water access for the residents. This project, funded by the International Organization for Migration to help reduce the chances of local conflict caused by crossing community boundaries in the search for water. This innovative solution aims to prevent future conflicts by providing water directly into the community. The impact of this technology is transformative, changing the lives of 2,000 people almost overnight. Watch as a community member uses her tag on the smartTAP, and this water dispenser provides a secure and accessible water supply for life, operating 24 hours a day. The smartTAP ensures safe and consistent water access. The result is both significant and immediate. The project was pre-planned but then executed in 2 weeks. A community transformation like this is something that is done quickly and cost-effectively. The revenue collected is saved by the community for future expansion and expenses of the water supply network. This self-managed system provides a positive legacy to the community. In Sinchubara and across the region, multiple smartTAP units demonstrate the adaptability of this sustainable water solution. With Lorentz smartTAP and Lorentz solar pumps, secure and sustainable water access is no longer complex. It is immediately deployable, transforming lives, one tap at a time.